Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy XRP on Changelly. Now once you have your Changelly account, okay, I'm already logged in. You can use your Google account. Just come here, click on buy on the home page. You select your currency, let's say US dollars, and then you choose XRP right here as the crypto you're buying. So come here, you choose your currency. We have XRP right here. If you don't see it, just search it up right here. Type in XRP, there you go. And then you choose what you want to pay with. Okay, you can view all the offers as well. You can see the different options. There's MoonPay, there is Paybis. Now, of course, we need to choose the amount. This amount right here is too big for many of the other exchanges. We'll do $100 worth of XRP, and you'll see a lot more offers you can use and the payment methods. So you can use Topper. This one is the best rate. You can use GPay, MoonPay, you can use Revolut, Switcher, you can use GPay, or Visa, MasterCard, things like that, okay? So you choose which one is ideal for you. You choose your offer. You can even do PayPal as well. And then you move to the next step where you will see your transaction details. Here you just enter your destination XRP. Destination tag, this is optional unless your wallet requires it. You move on to the next step where you're actually paying for it, okay? Proceed with the payment. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe to App Mentor.